皆さんこんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今回のレッスンでは、を勉強します。In this lesson, you will learn the particle Let's get started. So the へ is written hiragana へ this shape へ but the pronunciation is Okay.When you see this he as a connection between words and words, you pronounce e. So when a verb indicates the movement to a certain place, we will use the particle e. It's put after the place, like a name of the place, like this, to show the destination or the direction of the movement. It also indicates the goal of the movement or action.I'd like to introduce the particle also you can use to, when you write a letter or email, you will put the he, but the pronunciation is e. So for example, you have a letter like this, then you put the dear, for example, this is my name, Ayana Sensei, like a he, but the pronunciation is Ayana Sensei, So the particle indicates the destination or the movement of the direction. So we use it with a movement of verbs. 行く、来る、帰る。There are more, but I just introduced some of example of verbs. These are short form of verbs, or you can call it the casual verbs. 行く means to go. 帰る is to come. 来る is to come. 帰る means to go home or to return. So it's those verbs required from point A to point B. So that's why we use a particle e. Let's look at some example sentences. 海へ行きます。海へ行きます。So that means I will go to the beach. Repeat after me. 海へ行きます。One more time. 海へ行きます。海 means sea or ocean, but can be indicate the beach or sea. Second sentence. 私は2011年にニュージーランドへ来ました。So here 私 this country is 私 then は indicate the topic. Then here 2011年 is year. So 2000 is 2000. We say 2000, then 11 is 11. 10 plus 1, 10 and 1. So then we in total, we call it the 2011 is 2011. We don't say 2011, like divided the 2011. We just say 2011 is 2011. Then is year. Then this indicate a time. We have covered the time particle in the other lesson videos. Then New Zealand is where I live in now, so I use the example. New Zealand へ来ました。来ました is past tense of 来ます change to 来ました。Okay, a little bit long, but we can practice. Repeat after me. 私は2011年にニュージーランドへ来ました。はい。じゃあ次。練習問題ですね。練習問題 means practice. 練習 means practice. 問題 is question. So practice exercise translation. 1番。I came to Japan in 2023. スタート。はい。答えです。答え means the answer. 答えです。2023年に日本へ来ました。 Repeat after me. 2023年に日本へ来ました。The second exercise. 練習問題2。I will go home about 5 p.m. If you don't know how to say time or about, you can just practice the go home using it. スタート。Okay, so the answer is 5時ごろ家へ帰ります。5時 is a time. 5 is 5, G is time counter, number plus G is how to say the time. So 5時でごろ is about ごろ。Or if you like, you can use 5時ぐらい is okay as well. 5時ぐらいに家へ帰ります is also okay. Then uchi is the destination or goal of the location. So then particle へ帰ります。Repeat after me. 5時ごろ家へ帰ります。はい。One more time. 5時ごろ家へ帰ります。はい。You can use it に as well. に or へ indicate the destination. You can interchangeable. 3番。Question 3. I will turn right. これはどうですか？スタート。はい、答えを確認しましょう。右へ曲がる。So you are driving, then 右へ曲がる means go turn right. Like this. 右へ曲がる。Repeat after me. 右へ曲がる。Okay, we have practiced the exercise. So let's practice pronunciation together. 一緒に発音の練習をしてみましょう。私が言った文章を真似してください。Please repeat after me. 海へ行きます。2023年に日本へ来ました。If it's too long, I can break down year first. So, 2023年に日本へ来ました。Sentence 3. 5時ごろ家へ帰ります。Sentence 4. 右へ曲がる。Okay, so that's for today's lesson. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. I will try to post every few days. またね。さようなら。